Hi guys, today I'm explaining how to create subdomains. I think this is a question for everyone rises. How to create subdomains. This is my Bluehost account. I think creating a subdomains is simple for and same for all type of hostingers. Not only for Bluehost, it's same also for Hostinger, GoDaddy, BigRock, or any other hosting providers. First, you need to log in your hosting account. This is my hosting Bluehost. In Bluehost, we have separate account for who have the account. Just I'm logging. Bluehost is very good for hosting. It works really fast. If you are looking to purchase a new domain and hosting, I prefer go for Bluehost even if price. It may be more price, but it performs really good. This is the official dashboard for Bluehost. This is my account. In this section, you can see all items in the dashboard. This is my sites. This is my main site, and these are the subdomains I created, like dental dot, digital practice, rock. These are the subdomains I created. Now I'm showing how to create a new subdomain. Just after logging your dashboard, just click on domains. Here you can see the domains. Here, subdomain. Under domain section, so you can see the subdomains. This is for common for all hosting providers also. In Bluehost or not Bluehost or other types like Hostinger, GoDaddy, BigRock, you can see this section of subdomains. Here you can see add subdomain. Just click on add subdomain. Choose your subdomain, like which subdomain you need to want, and select main domain and subdomains like I had many subdomains like health, news. Now I'm choosing like travel. Travel. If you click add, it will be added. But I'm not adding right now because I have already subdomains. Just you click the just you type your subdomain name like travel, and you can select your main domain. These are the all subdomains I created. After selecting your subdomain, just add. Once after adding it go for my sites. We can see this type of site like travel.vv3.com. Just manage site. You can see here install option. Right, I'll show because if it makes more confusion for viewers without showing that installation. So there is a travel.vv3.com. Add subdomain. Just it's now completed. Just go into my sites. Just refresh once. Or just create a site here. You use title like site name travel. No need to use subdomains. Give me a admin or username. Just select the password and click on next. You better save your password because you forget it again creates unnecessary headaches. Just uncheck this option by default. These are inbuilt these plugins. No need these all plugins. You can later install. Just domain travel. No need directory. Just click on next. That's it. Your subdomain is created. It may be taking a second. But after creating subdomain, it takes minimum 2 to 3 hours to complete full version of like completely. No need to select. Just that's it. Go to my if you click this, it can be new redirect page, or click on go back to my sites. Here it takes time. Just click on refresh once. This subdomain takes minimum 1 to 2 hours, or sometimes it takes more than 24 hours to create completely. Yeah, see, the subdomain is created, that's it. But here you can see here not secure, because this is just we created within 2 minutes, before 2 minutes. So that's why it takes time for that installation or whole setting. So give me minimum 1 hour, 2 hours. After 2 to 3 hours, it can work as complete like full secure subdomain, or just waited at 24 hours. Hardly takes 24 hours, but I never see subdomain taking to complete installation for 24 hours. Mostly 1 or 2 hours it can be done. But if you don't not create again any issues like not secure, just contact once the Bluehost support team. They will help you. This this is the reason I'm preferring to choose Bluehost for domain hosting, because compared to other types like hosting or GoDaddy, BigRock, others, they don't have call support to customer service, making email or by chat only. It makes difficulty or it may unnecessary headaches for supporting the teams. So that's why I'm choosing Bluehost, preferring Bluehost for if anyone want to purchase a domain and hosting. And that's it. The subdomain is created. Just wait 1 or 2 hours. After it will be completely done, like it will become secure, and you can create pages, posters according to your business pages. You can install plugins here, appearance section by default, or just click on new tab. This is by default, or page seems like this because this is empty page. You can add anything. Suppose add this theme, just I'm activating once because this is a very blank page. So that's why activated. Just click on refresh. See the change. So you can activate more different types of things. I don't activate any things because just I'm show to how to create subdomain. This is a travel, so I need to activate travel, but I don't want to activate any things because this is the for reference purpose how to create subdomain. That's it. And just wait after 1 or 2 hours, it will become done. And after you can create a complete website by using pages, themes, using plugins, customize options, themes, and that's it. This is the way you create subdomains in your hostings. And keep follow for the more updates on digital marketing and website designing. I'll update post videos how to design websites and SEO, Google Ads, and other social media. Subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you.